When it comes to protecting your Clinton Township home from water damage, few features play a bigger role than your gutters. A well-designed gutter system channels rainwater safely away from your roof, walls, and foundation, preventing costly repairs. But with so many materials, styles, and add-ons available, choosing the right gutters can feel overwhelming. Here's a simple, customer-friendly guide to help you make an informed choice. Understand your home's needs before exploring materials or styles. Assess your home's layout and environment. Clinton Township experiences cold winters and moderate rainfall, meaning your gutters must handle both heavy snowmelt and seasonal storms. If your home has multiple rooflines or steep slopes, a larger capacity gutter system may be needed to handle water efficiently. Tip: observe where water tends to pool around your home's foundation or landscaping. These areas indicate spots where effective gutter placement and downspout direction are crucial. Choose the right material. The material you select determines your gutter's durability, maintenance requirements, and appearance. Here are the most popular options for Clinton Township homeowners. Aluminum gutters. Lightweight, rust-resistant, and affordable, aluminum gutters are a popular choice. They handle Michigan's seasonal changes well but may dent under heavy impact. Vinyl gutters. Low cost and easy to install, vinyl gutters are ideal for budget-conscious homeowners. However, they can become brittle and crack in freezing temperatures. Steel gutters. These are strong and long-lasting, making them suitable for homes with heavy snow loads. Keep in mind that galvanized steel requires regular maintenance to prevent rust. Copper gutters. A premium option that develops a beautiful patina over time, copper gutters add character and curb appeal. They're ideal for historic or upscale homes but come at a higher cost. Zinc gutters. Similar to copper, zinc gutters are durable and weather-resistant, though they also fall on the expensive side. Recommendation: for most Clinton Township homes, aluminum gutters strike the best balance between cost, performance, and aesthetics. Select the best style. Gutters come in several styles, but two dominate residential homes. K-style gutters, shaped like decorative crown molding. These gutters are stylish and efficient. They hold more water than half-round gutters and complement most modern homes. Half-round gutters. Featuring a classic rounded design, these gutters suit older or traditional homes. While elegant, they carry less water and require more maintenance. Bonus option: seamless gutters are a smart upgrade. Instead of multiple sections joined together, they're custom cut to your home's dimensions, reducing leaks and maintenance needs. Don't forget about size and slope. For homes in Clinton Township, 5-inch gutters are standard, while 6-inch gutters work better for larger roofs or areas prone to heavy rainfall. The slope, or pitch, ensures water flows efficiently to downspouts. A professional installer can calculate the right angle to prevent standing water or overflow. Consider gutter guards. Clinton Township's tree-lined neighborhoods mean gutters often collect leaves, pine needles, and debris. Gutter guards or covers can save you time and prevent clogs. Options include mesh screens, reverse curve systems, or foam inserts. While these add to the upfront cost, they pay off in reduced maintenance and longer gutter lifespan. Hire a local professional. Even the best gutters fail if installed incorrectly. Partnering with a trusted local gutter company ensures your system is designed for Michigan's climate and your home's structure. Professionals can recommend the best materials, styles, and gutter guard systems for lasting performance. Final thoughts: choosing the right gutters for your Clinton Township home isn't just about looks, it's about protecting your investment. With the right material, style, and professional installation, you can keep your home dry and damage-free for decades. Take time to assess your needs, and don't hesitate to ask local experts for guidance. A well-chosen gutter system will not only enhance your home's curb appeal but also safeguard it from Michigan's unpredictable weather, season after season.